Yep, fish on. Fish on. Hey guys, it's your boy Eric from Eric White Fishing, and in today's video we're going to be heading down to Port River in Adelaide and trying to fish up some big black brim. So, I'll see you guys there. Right, so we're here at the jetty of Port River and we've cut up some little prawns and we're going to put that on the hook. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, that's on the hook. And now we just cast in, I guess. How far do we cast? Do we just drop it in? Now we just wait for something to bite. Oh, there is something down there. Gotta be patient. Yeah, there's a whole school down there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like a whole school. Oh yeah, I've got a fish on. Oh no, never mind. Let's try some chicken hearts, guys. See if that will catch anything. Maybe we just... We'll definitely go crazy for this, I guarantee it. Hurry up and bite. No, something's biting. Oh, fish on, fish on. Yep. Oh no, what?
A little one.
What the hell? What is...
Oh, he's gone.
Yeah, he's gone. Yep, fish on. Fish on. Fish on. It's too small though, look at that. Look at that, that's tiny. If that falls off, it'll fall through the crack. Look at that little... What even is that? This is what I catch at Glenelg. Look at that little beautiful... No. Look at that little beautiful trumpeter. Touch up the legal. Take. Fuck. Ah, yeah.
Didn't catch someone else's fishing line again?
I don't think so. No, this isn't. I think this is a fish. What the fuck is that? What the hell is that?
Is that a clam? No. Can't be a clam. What? It's an oyster.
Did I catch an oyster? What the? What the?
Yeah, it's gotta be good luck, right?
I just caught a fucking oyster. So cool.
I imagine probably what?
Oh, fish on. Yep, fish on. He's not very big though. Yeah, he's not too big. He is not too big though. Can you fucking stop? Alright, let's get the hook off this little fella. Bro, that is... Look at that, it's just going straight through him. Beautiful little fish. Pretty cool. Alright. I don't know if we should keep him or get him back in the water. Alright guys, I think that pretty much wraps it up for this fishing video. I'm sorry we didn't catch much, but at least we had some fun guys. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.